Hummingbird with a torn off wing struggled by the side of the road. In the gravel and dust I stopped, scooped her up and hurried home. I laid her in a bed of flowers, fuchsia and trumpet vine, and I made a dish of sugar water and hoped and prayed. Hummingbird with a torn off wing, feathers still downy and gray. I felt her warmth and her heart beat, so swift and scared against my hands. I laid her in a bed of flowers, fuchsia and trumpet vine, and I made a dish of sugar water at home and prayed. I laid her in a bed of flowers, lilies and red hibiscus, and I made a dish of sugar water and hoped and prayed. Hummingbird with a torn off wing, I left to let her rest on her own. I came back to a stiff and dry little body with its spirit gone. I laid her with a tiny gravestone beneath the walnut tree, and I cried about creation's cruelty and grieved the life I didn't save. Hummingbird, oh. Oh, thank you so much.